squishy hunting at Five Below and Dollar General.
Guys, I have the squishies.
They have the pickles and these pigs. And like,
these are like
sand. They're so cool.
sand octopuses or whatever.
Wait, that's cool. And then they have these things.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna pick up the things real quick and then we'll show y'all.
Okay, we're gonna look around for a little bit and then we'll be back.
Guys, we found squishy ducks. Oh, these are just like hard ducks. Guys, we're in like the slime section, so we're gonna look here, but I think there's only slime. And maybe we'll get this like magic thing because there's like, you could put it inside like a squishy.
Like a wobble bubble.
Yeah, or this like air play. Guys, we found tab squishies, but
Wait, stop, they have the spheres.
what?
Oh, this is not squishy. Why is everybody hype about this?
Wait, okay, so we found the sphere. What the heck? This is not even like,
It was open, guys. We didn't open it.
yeah, it was already open. Okay, this is the stuff we already have. So we both got like the Five Below like pickle.
And then I'm going to get this pig, and Maddie already has one.
Yeah. So yeah, we haven't decided what else we're gonna get. We've seen a lot of cute stuff, but we're trying to look under the shelves.
Yeah,
So that's
we have to wait for the workers to leave though.
so then we can do it.
So yeah.
Okay, so we just got down at Five Below. We're gonna check Dollar General, but I don't think Dollar General is gonna be that promising.
Bro, there were like a bunch of boys from our school. It was so embarrassing.
Yeah. Okay, so we're in Dollar General and we didn't find anything.
Yeah, they have like nothing here.
Okay, so we're gonna go home and give y'all a haul.
Okay guys, so we actually left our scooters at the park by her house, and it's kind of far away, but do y'all think that they're still gonna be there? Because we're not really sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess that they are still there. What are you gonna guess?
I think they still are there because I don't think anybody went to the park, but I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. So we just came back and our scooters are here, so we're good. And now we're just gonna hang out at the playground a little bit, and yeah.
Five Below haul. Okay, so first thing I got is a squishy pickle.
And I also got a squishy pickle.
And I got this Smush Mart pig, and look at that.
Next, I got this bluey blanket because I'm going on a trip this weekend and I really want it.
And then we
And
got
I
an Alani.
The Juicy Peach one because that's like the best one.
Bye, y'all.